Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, usually it's about my ZL1, but I've been reading your guys' comments and a lot of you have been asking me and saying, bro, where is Optimus Prime? So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead and review Prime Time. Let's go. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and hit the magic button and we're gonna go, Optimus, awaken. Yes, sir. Fire this thing up, baby. Let's get it, Prime Time. So I wanted to make sure that I did this video for you guys because I've been reading a lot of your comments, and a lot of your comments that you guys have been leaving me is asking me, what happened to Optimus? How come you don't post Optimus anymore on the channel? We want a video just about Optimus and like about the car itself and everything. Like all the parts and everything that we have set up on the car and all that good stuff. What's up, bro? Shout out to the neighbors. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and make this video and we're gonna find a nice spot real quick to post up and I'm gonna show you guys everything about the car. Now, the main reason why, I just want to make sure I clear up the air real quick. The main reason why I haven't posted Optimus as much on the channel is because I've been focusing on my ZL1 and modifying that car, taking it to car events, taking it to the track and all that good stuff. And then coming back to where it all started, which was with Optimus. So 5th Gen Camaro, 2013. Shout out to the neighbors. I've had this car since December of 2012 and we still have it till today and it ain't going nowhere. People ask me all the time, would you ever sell the car? And I'm like, bro, I would sell the ZL1 before I sold my supercharged V6, only because this is where it all started for me. Hopefully we never have to get to that point. Either way, I still love the ZL1 like nobody's business. So enough talking, let's get this video going. We're gonna find a spot and we're gonna take a look at the car. Let's get it. Now, a question that I do get asked quite a bit is which one drives more comfortable than the other? My 5th Gen Camaro or my 6th Gen Camaro? Honestly, there is no comparison only because my 5th Gen is actually on airbags. So I didn't make the suspension too tight. It's actually set up where it's kind of bouncy, where the car is kind of floaty. If I make the suspension too tight, it's not gonna bounce at all and you can feel every single bump. They did that with airlift performance only because some cars like the GTR, you can go ahead, like the R35, you can go ahead and tighten up the suspension, and then when you tighten up the suspension, you can actually track the car even though you have airbags. But if I was to answer the question for you guys, which one's more comfortable? I mean, definitely the other one is more comfortable than this one because the other one has the magnetic ride, so it's completely different than airlift performance. Nothing against airlift performance, it's just two different suspensions. One is on airbags where you can air out the car, the other one is made from factory the way it's made. So, but either way, both a lot of fun to drive. This one here though, it's a different feeling. Ooh, that sounded good.
Hear me, I'm calling. Catch me, I'm falling. Hear me, I'm calling. Catch me, I'm falling.
All right, you guys, so as you guys could see right behind me, I got my 2013 Camaro ZLS. This is Optimus Prime. This is a 2013 supercharged V6 on 100 shot of nitrous without the NOS. The car is making 511 horsepower without the nitrous. The nitrous we set up was 100 shot. We didn't want to go any higher than that. The rear end of the car is actually completely changed as well. So the back end of the car is actually a manual 2012 SS rear diff. The whole back end has been changed. So the car is automatic, but at the same time, the back end is actually manual. So the car is like half and half. It's a transformer. I mean, what do you expect? Now, what I do want to do is I want to give this a quick little baby rev, because right now the car is pretty much pro charged. It doesn't have the top mount supercharger on there, but it has the pro charger kit. It's actually the Vortec V3 SI Stage 3 kit. And we're going to give this a quick little rev and see what it sounds like. But I'm gonna be honest with you, what we need to do is we need to make sure that we get that B-roll going with prep time. Let's get it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm super excited to finally bring Prep Time back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I've had the ZL1 now for like 3.5 years. So then that's crazy how time is just flying by right now with that. I know we've been working on the ZL1 quite a bit. Next up, I want to make sure that you guys know that I'm always going to be putting Optimus on the channel. Like, there's not going to be a time where I'm never not going to put Prime in the channel. No matter if it's just a quick little appearance, you will see this car in the background somewhere. Now, I also do want to let you guys know that I have recently collaborated with Driven Society, and they are doing a giveaway. The time frame is to the end of next month. They have 4 options that you guys can choose from. One of them is a Toyota Supra from Fast and Furious, the orange Supra. The other one is a TRX that's 1,000 horsepower, and then we got 2 other old schools. You can have either one of those when you enter and get $20,000 in cash, or you could say I don't want neither one of them and give me $100,000. So I'm gonna make sure that I link everything down in the description down below. If you use my code CAMAROZLS on your first purchase, you're gonna get 42 bonus entries on top of whatever they got on the website. So on your first go around, make sure you guys get that going. Don't miss out on the opportunity. I drove around with that Toyota Supra last weekend, and man, that car is an absolute beauty. 2JZ, big turbo, the works. It's got everything in it. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about Prep Time finally making it back to the channel. And in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. A Dilla, back Bow, Superman, chilling at the house, printemps, chilling right there. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.